Have you tried growing tomatoes at home? Growing tomatoes is not difficult. Just plant and fertilize them my way, and you will have the tomato garden you want. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy and beautiful young plants, I choose old tomatoes to get seeds to grow young plants. After planting the tomatoes, I spread a layer of soil on top and watered them with a mist to help the plants have moisture to grow. I cut off the bottom of the 5-liter can and used a hole punch to punch around the can to fill it with soil to plant dwarf tomatoes. To not take up space on the ground, I used a rope tied at 3 ends and hung it up high to grow tomatoes. I cut the bottom of the water bottle and punched holes, then used multi-purpose paper as a wick to conduct water. If you want the soil to be nutritious and loose, mix worm manure into the soil to help the plants absorb nutrients and grow better when planted. After a few days, the seeds have grown into healthy young plants. I will go plant them and can 5 liters. After planting, I put water in the bottle to let the wick absorb moisture for the plant. This is the stage when the tree has taken root and grown into a young tree. I will add worm castings to the base. I put soil at the base of the tree to help it stand more firmly and firmly, helping it grow faster. To keep the plant moist, I water the base of the plant to help it maintain high humidity. This is the time when worms and fungi invade very quickly, so I take chopped shallots mixed with water and spray them on the plants. Shallots are very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. This is the time when worms and fungi invade very quickly, so I take chopped shallots mixed with water and spray them on the plants. Shallots are very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. Now I will harvest and cook it. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.